Your administration speaks a lot about gold standard science. What is gold standard science to you?
It's science itself. Science means that you can question everything.
You spoke about listening to the science. Today, the CDC's vaccine committee is considering changing the Hep B schedule. And yet we have 30 years of experience that says that giving a newborn dose of Hep B dramatically reduces the cases of Hep B in infants. It's practically been eliminated. Why, as a doctor, what do you think about that? Why take a second look?
Because it's a nuanced topic. So if a mom is Hep B positive or has an unknown Hep B status, then it's important for that child to get the Hep B vaccine as close to birth as possible.
You said as a physician you recommended the newborn dose. You think that should change now? Based on what evidence?
What we're saying is that it's okay to delay the Hep B shot for parents who want to delay the Hep B shot if the mom is not Hep B positive or has an unknown Hep B status.
You speak of rebuilding trust with the public. The Annenberg Public Policy Center did a survey that came out this past fall that showed that trust in the FDA had dropped 10 percentage points from September of 2024 to September of 2025. Do you take responsibility for that, and how can you reverse that trend?
There's a 31-point drop in trust in doctors and hospitals in the healthcare system from 2019 to 2024. That's a study published in JAMA. And the reason I believe we've seen a massive decrease in trust is putting out public health recommendations with such absolutism.
And yet this past weekend, there was a memo from one of your leaders. And in that memo, they said that the FDA had found at least 10 children who died because they got the COVID vaccine, but there was no science to back it up.
So in science, we often release top-line data while we put together the details of that data to make it public. It will be public.
And yet we still haven't seen the data. And today you have a dozen of your predecessors who published a letter that said that data was looked at and their researchers came to a different conclusion.
Well, that's not actually what they said. And many of those, by the way, are paid by big pharma folks, and they're entitled to their opinion. But we have a different concept on vaccine regulation.
Let me just read to you what they said in this letter. It said, the stated motivation for these sweeping changes is the deaths of 10 children, which the FDA leadership asserts were caused by COVID-19 vaccines. Previously, all cases reported to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention and to the FDA had been carefully reviewed by FDA staff who drew different conclusions.
So these cases were reviewed by career FDA staff, physicians who did a detailed investigation, and we feel confident about the investigation that was done by physicians.
We thank you for watching, and remember, stay updated on breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app or watch live on our YouTube channel.